This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable dark mode on the Opera GX web browser, it's very easy to do. There's a couple different ways to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, it will force dark mode on the web pages also. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left hand corner, up to where you see the little O logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Theme. And you can see I have my light theme turned on, but you could turn on the dark theme right here. I'm going to click on Dark. Then you want to scroll down a little ways further to where you see it says Force Dark Pages. You want to toggle this on right here. Force Dark Pages. That will force the web pages to be displayed in dark mode also. That is how to enable dark mode on the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.